Last week, the Senate Judiciary Committee and the entire country heard from one of the most impressive nominees for any public office in a long time. Judge Amy Coney Barrett demonstrated that she has the deep legal expertise, dispassionate judicial temperament, and sheer intellectual horsepower that the American people deserve to have on the Supreme Court. Her nomination prompted an outpouring of praise from across academia, the legal profession, and importantly, the political spectrum. Last week, our committee colleagues saw why fellow legal scholars called Judge Barrett, quote, a brilliant and conscientious lawyer who will analyze and decide cases in good faith. And they say she is, quote, tailor-made for this job. They heard firsthand why her former law clerks and students call her, quote, a woman of unassailable integrity, and, quote, a role model for generations to come. They heard thoughtful answers that explained why the American Bar Association, an institution the Democratic leader has called the gold standard, deems Judge Barrett well qualified to sit on the Supreme Court. And they heard why the legal professionals behind the rating call her, quote, a staggering academic mind, a staggering academic mind. The chair of ABA's Standing Committee on the Federal Judiciary told the committee directly that, quote, in interviews with individuals in the legal profession and community who know Judge Barrett, whether for a few years or decades, not one person, not one, uttered a negative word about her character. Of course, Madam President, there's another way you can tell that Judge Barrett is so impressive and so qualified. It's the fact that the people who pre-committed to oppose her nomination have completely retreated from arguing the merits. Virtually none of the politicians, pundits, or special interests who opposed Judge Barrett from the beginning have even tried to lay a finger on her qualifications or credentials. We've seen inaccurate claims that it would be abnormal for the Senate to fill this seat. We've seen bizarre, barely disguised insinuations about the nominee's religious faith, and now this morning's improper press scrutiny of her children. We've heard Democrats try to take hostage our very institutions of government to stop this precedent-backed process from moving forward. But none of the distortions can even begin to cloud the incredible qualifications of the nominee. I look forward to the Judiciary Committee's vote on Thursday. The full Senate will turn to Judge Barrett's nomination as soon as it comes out of committee. I'll be proud to vote to confirm this exceptional jurist.